Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by making the basics certain. Confirm your Canon model supports wireless and have your network name and password ready. Plug in and power the printer, clear any error lights, and load paper so setup won't pause. Once done, position the printer near your router for a strong signal. This reduces reconnection retries and speeds discovery. Now open your laptop and make sure Wi-Fi is on, because you'll use it to send credentials to the printer in the next step. On the printer display, navigate to Network or Wireless Setup and choose Connect to Wi-Fi. This is where you tell the printer which router to use. Select your SSID from the list. If it's hidden, choose the manual entry option and type the exact name. Enter the Wi-Fi password carefully because one wrong character blocks connection. If your router supports WPS, press WPS on the router, then select WPS on the printer to pair quickly. This bypasses typing and is often more reliable. With the printer on the network, install Canon's drivers or the full software package on your laptop and select wireless during installation so the driver discovers the printer automatically. Once installed, print a network configuration or test page to confirm the assigned IP address and successful connection. This proves both discovery and printing work. If the printer doesn't appear, restart the router and printer, check Wi-Fi password accuracy, and retry setup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.